Greetings everyone, I Adarsh Verma.
And I are Raza.
We are here to show a presentation on the topic 2020 Beyond Corona. Firstly, we are thankful and would like to express our gratitude to our computer teacher who helped us a lot. And we are also thankful to our ma'am principal who gave us this golden opportunity to present this topic. So the first and basic question that arises in our mind that what is this coronavirus? A virus that lock up the whole world. Basically, coronavirus is a large family of virus that causes illness in animals and humans. The virus that lock up the whole world slowly. When WHO declares it as a pandemic, the world decided to lock up in their home.
The year 2020 was supposed to be a good year. Our hopes were high, but as 2020 progressed, our hopes shattered. Because we had a tough year, it does not seem to end with pandemic, disasters, deaths, wars, etc. 2020 seems like a sci-fi movie.
Let's pay attention towards the event that took during the pandemic of corona and we did not pay any attention towards it. So the first event that was held and unnoticed on January 2 is Australian bushfire, also known as Black Summer. At that time, million hectare of that is around 11 lakh kilometer of forest and park across the Australia has burned. And report says that 33 people have been killed, including 4 firefighters. At that time, the sky was appears to be red due to of smoke and high flame of fire. Let's take a look at the another disaster, that is Beirut explosion, held on 4 August 2020, when a large amount of ammonia nitrate stored at the port of city of the Beirut exploded, as lead to the death and injuries. Report says that at least 204 people lost their life and more than 6,500 people were injured. It also leads to the billion US dollar property damage and leave the estimate of 3 lakh plus people were homeless. The explosion took place like same, that is the blink of an eye and the whole world changed. Let's take a look on another event on February 2020, that is locust swarm in East Africa. Hundreds of billion locusts swarmed through part of East Africa and South Asia in the worst infestation for a quarter of century. Expert and agriculture organization report says that it could affect the food security of more than 25 billion of people. Let's move further. May 2020. On 22 May 2020, the Airbus A320 in use crashed in a populated area of Karachi, a few kilometers away from the runway. And report says 97 were killed and 2 passengers survived with injuries. And 8 people were injured in ground and 1 leads to the death after a few interval of time.
The another event that was held was Ukrainian jetliner crash in Iran. Iran military had accidentally shot down a Ukrainian passenger jet, blaming human killing all 176 people aboard. The Islamic Republic of Iran deeply regrets this disastrous mistake, President Hassan Rouhani said on Twitter.
October 30, 2020, an powerful earthquake in Turkey, that is 7.0 magnitude. The level buildings and caused flooding. And reports says at least 26 people were killed and more than 700 people were injured in Turkey and Greece. According to survey, the major earthquake hit 14 kilometers of the Greek town. Let's move further if we talk about sports event most important, Tokyo Olympics. Scheduled to open in Tokyo on July 24th, have been postponed due to COVID-19 pandemic. It's the first time in 124 year of modern history that Olympic has been postponed or delayed. The IOC and Tokyo Game organizers were under mounting pressure to postpone the games this year. Let's move further if we talk about another event or a league. I am wrong if I say it's a league. It's a festival for the Indian culture, that is IPL. Indian Premier League has been postponed due to COVID-19 pandemic from the month of April to the month of September and now started last week in UAE.
The another important topic that was unnoticed by us, that is a big problem. Impact of COVID-19 on the economy of India. The unemployment rose from 6.7% on 15 March to 26% on 19 April. Then back down to pre-lockdown levels by mid-June. During the lockdown, an estimated 14 crore people lost their employment while salaries were cut for others. The Indian economy was expected to lose over 32,000 crore, that is $4.5 billion every day.
As we all know that every coin has two faces. So, during the time of the lockdown, nature is on the mend. And report says that global emissions are down by 17% and the UN Environment Programme claimed 2020 to be a super year for the nature and biodiversity.
During this pandemic of COVID-19, the social media has shown a sharp increase in use every day. A report says that thousands of people emerging on social media due to social distancing measures. And there has been a noticeable increase in the use of Zoom since the start of the pandemic. The another event which shows the unity of Indian people is braving COVID-19, locals saved several lives in the Air India crash. An Air India Express flight carrying 190 people attempted to make a landing on runway, but it skyride off the runway and fell into a 35 feet valley. Neighboring people braved the rains and the fear of COVID-19 and helped the passengers in less than 2 hours. And others are lined up at the blood bank to donate blood.
And lastly, I would like to thank our computer teacher, Sir Tanuj, who guided us to make this presentation. And the following website also helped us in collecting the information, so here are the reference to the website.